Swan. Thank you very much. So we've decided to come on the pier for a walk, and because we have this pier card, we get on for free. Normally you have to pay £1. I know £1's not a major amount, but you know, every pound helps, doesn't it? So the kids have brought their Easter money and they want to go on some rides on the pier. Fingers crossed, I might go on some as well. So come on, let's go. Let's go and have a walk round. Straight down here. My favourite ride. Ooh, ooh. They're definitely braver than I am. I wouldn't go on that. Anything that spins, it's a no-no for me. If I'd have gone on that, I'd have been sick. How was it?
Fun.
So we've had enough of watching the kids spinning around, and we've decided we're going to go and get some kind of ice cream. So we're going to go back down to the entrance of the pier and go and grab a bubble waffle. If you've never seen a bubble waffle, stay tuned because this is like amazing. So we're going to head off back down to the entrance of the pier and go and grab a bubble waffle. Yeah, it was last year when I first had a bubble waffle, so I'm really looking forward to it. It's a nice warm day, even though I've got my hoodie all zipped up and I'm hot. But yeah, I'm sure a bubble waffle will help me and sort me out and yeah, cool me down.
No.
There's always one, isn't there?
No.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good, isn't it? Two scoops of salted caramel ice cream, please. Caramel sauce and Oreos, then, please. Thank you very much. Look at it. This is it, the bubble waffle. I went for 2 scoops of salted caramel with bits of Oreo and caramel sauce on it. Look at that. That's the bubble waffle. I'm going to turn this off now because you don't see me, it's not pretty, trust me. I've even got a spoon. Well, that was a nice walk on the pier. Ended with getting a nice bubble waffle. I'm really full now, so we're walking it off. There's always one in there who's always trying to...
You're constantly complaining I'm in your shop.
Yeah, she's always in my shop.
Camera at me.
Let's just...
Oh, watch out, football.
Oh. Yeah, so if you're ever at the pier, try bubble waffle. Really nice if you like ice cream and stuff like that. So yeah, highly recommend it. They are very filling, so I won't get two. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching guys, and if you haven't, press that subscribe button. It's free to do, it's not going to cost you anything, you know, so get it pressed. Press it, press it.